Hey, this is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Today we're putting together the Kobalt. This is their 80 volt max brushless snow thrower here, snow blower. This is a single stage unit, and I just pulled it out of the box and pulled the plastic off. Really for assembly, there's not too much to do. First off, the handle comes and it's detached right here. So you have to slide the handle in, which the line is already attached. The wire here is already attached. So you have to slide the handle in, put the little screws on that, then the quick connector, the quick adjust here is our next thing. You tip the handle into place. You tighten up the inner knob just a little bit so you can get a nice snug fit. Then I've got two things left. I've got to mount the chute right here. You can see that there's a pre-drilled hole and the screws there. We'll mount that chute. And then we have to mount our little chute control here, which will go right there. You don't need to take out all three of these to be able to put this on. You loosen the back one up just a hair bit, and then you have to take the two side ones out, and the chute slides in because there's little grooves here that it slides into. Loosen, take out, slide it in, and then line them up. It's a little bit of a trick to get them lined up, so that's why I don't take this one all the way out, because I decided I did it the first way, and it's like, I'm going to take this out and see how difficult it is, and it is pretty difficult if this is how to get these things lined up properly. So you have to do this one to get it lined up, slide the pieces in, then put the other two in. The other one's right around the corner. Right there it is. So I've got the 80 volt 5 amp hour battery. It's charging right here. It's going to be ready to go in just a little bit. We're getting ready. We've got some snow coming here, anywhere from 6 inches to 18 inches, depending upon who you're talking to. So I'm going to give this a shot here in the next couple of days here to show you more about this. Where are the little headlights? There's little headlights down here somewhere. Right down here, let me show you that right there. Little headlights right on the bottom there, so you can do that. Again, single stage unit. Kind of excited to get this out because at 80 volts, this is going to give us some, not quite gas power, but very, very close. As you increase the voltage, you're going to have more power to be able to blow snow. And they're saying that this can blow snow up to 30 feet, which I'm pretty excited about. I wanted to show you this. On the part here, the handle right next to where I'm going to be operating, we've got a little battery gauge, which is kind of nice to be able to see how it's doing. The high and low, we've got a high speed and a low speed. So if you have lighter, fluffier snow, we've got the low speed. If you need to be able to throw heavy, you've got your high speed. We also have our headlight switch there, so really nice and convenient. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out. But this is the Kobalt 80 volt max brushless snow thrower here we're putting together. It's available at Lowe's. You can go check it out there at their website at lowes.com. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.